Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to turn off the playback history on VLC player. First of all, open your VLC and tap on the more option on the bottom right side to reach the settings. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you can see the history tab and playback history. Save all media played in history section. Tap on the tick mark and turn it off. Now the playback history is turned off. Now your media played on the VLC player is not saved on history section. By doing this, you can customize your VLC player. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.